What's up, people? This is Ajax, and this is Myo-Rep sets. So hopefully you watched the effective rep theory video. Watch that video first because what I'm about to talk about here won't quite make sense if you haven't learned that first section. So Myo-Rep sets, though, let's just dive into it now. How do they work? Myo-Rep sets are based on the effective rep theory, and it's a way of doing a set and piling up lots of stimulating effective reps all in one set. It's a time-efficient way to train. A well-done Myo-Rep set will be equal to about 2, even 3 regular sets done to positive failure. How is that possible? I'll show you how so. So a Myo-Rep set starts with your activation set. That's technically your first set. And that set should be done for 5 to 12 reps. And hopefully you guys can see this. You're going to leave 1 to 2 reps in reserve. So this first set is not done to positive failure. Stop just about 1 rep, maybe 2 reps shy of positive failure. Why? To save yourself a little bit of energy so you can keep doing your mini sets. You want to perform about 3 to 5 mini sets. Those mini sets should consist of 2 to 4 reps each. So these should be very hard reps. Again, not quite going to failure, stopping a little short of failure, but close enough that you pile up lots of stimulating reps over and over and over. And when you add up all your reps, you end up with, let's say, 15 reps in one set, where all those reps are stimulating for muscle growth. So let's use an example, okay? Example. Let's say we're doing a machine chest press. We do, you see this number here, 8 reps in the first set. They're hard reps. We pause, we rest about 10 to 30 seconds. Then we do a mini set of 2. Then we do another mini set of 2. Then we do another mini set of 2. And then we finally do one more set of just 1 rep, since at that point our chest is burned out. How many stimulating reps did we do in this set? Well, we know this set we got about 4 or 5, let's just say 5 hard reps. 2, 2, 2, that's 6, 1. I'm going to do math in the video. That's about 15 stimulating reps in this one set. So how many sets will we need to do to equal 1 Myo-Rep set? This would be equal to doing about, 2, 3 sets of, let's say, 6 to 8. But we just did all that effective volume, all that stimulating volume in 1 Myo-Rep set. This is why Myo-Rep sets are a great, again, time-efficient way to build muscle to get stronger. Now, your mini sets, how do you know when to stop them? Remember that you want to do at least 3. So another example, let's say you do a set of 10 and then 4 and then 3 reps. You're dropping a rep, but again, we want to get in at least 3. And then a final set, we do 2 reps. What does this add up to? Again, I'm going to do math in the video. Forgive me. 10, 4, 3. Oh, cool. So we got 19 oh, my apologies. We got, this is why you don't do math in a video. Not 19, I'm counting 10. So we did this first activation set. So we got 5, 4, this is 9, 12. We got 14 stimulating reps in 1 Myo-Rep set. Again, this is equivalent to doing at least 2 regular hard sets to failure. Now, what if, I'll use to hopefully clear up any more questions. What if you do, let's say, like 10 reps in the first activation set, and you go like 4, 4, 4. This looks like a 9, 4, 4. You keep doing sets of 4. If you can keep doing more than 5 mini sets, your first set was way too easy. You have to be pushing yourself, guys. Like, this has to be intense, right? If you do a set of 10 and you can just keep doing sets of 4 for forever, you're clearly not training hard. These sets need to be done close to failure, on the edge of failure, and you're grinding out reps. That's why this method works. It's a high effort method. If you do 15 reps in a set and then you keep doing sets of 5, Yeah, you could build muscle that way, but you're going to have to do a lot of volume before you actually hit muscular fatigue, which defeats the whole point of doing this high intensity Myorep method in the first place. So 3 to 5 mini sets, 2 to 4 reps each, get in at least 3 mini sets, and you stop when you start losing reps. So let me use the eraser, there it is. So obviously there's variations. You could do 4, 3, 2. Maybe you do 4, 4, 3, 2. You do 4 mini sets. There's variety here. You will have to learn how to auto-regulate your training, to use a big word, meaning you're going to have to learn through experimentation what works and what doesn't. If your first set is too easy, okay, well then I'm going to be doing too many mini sets. If your first set is way too hard, let's say you only do 4 reps in the activation set, the weight was too heavy, this requires some actual in the gym learning by doing. But hopefully this has made it clear. Activation set, 3 to 5 mini sets, 2 to 4 reps per mini set, and you stop when you get to at least 3 mini sets or when you start losing reps on the sets. You guys have any questions, you can post them below in the comments. You can also contact me at the support email. I'll be sure to answer your questions in full. Look forward to talking to you guys again. Make sure to check out the next section as well. Adios.